The tour of Hull Oaks Lumber Company in Monroe, Oregon, took me on an emotional journey through history and technology. The sawmill, one of the last steam-powered operations in the U.S., felt like a living museum. Massive logs were brought into the water pond. Then a powerful pusher moved them into the frame and lifted them into the mill. There, they were transformed into finished products by a fully enclosed saw machine, ready to reach consumers. The blend of tradition and modernity created an unforgettable experience.